Hi friends, welcome to Communication Skill Enhancement Practice. What we do daily practice to improve our English communication skills, because day to day English language is been used frequently. It has been used in different like corporate, also in interviews, also as it is a global language, it has been also its use is getting increased. You have seen that various videos are coming which has been with English language. Yes, the regional language video is also increasing, but we have to practice it. We have to learn this English language where there is a huge scope for the growth. If you have to face an interview, you have to speak in English. If you have to deal with a customer, if you have to represent something in corporate, you the only language is will work, that is English. So for learning English language, also to communicate in a formal way, we need a little long practice. That's I've learned from different mentors. You may be listening Praveen Wadalkar. Praveen Wadalkar is a very good communicator. He is a public speaker and he is also a coach. So I have been learned a lot from him. I have also learned a lot from Simarjit Singh. Simarjit Singh is also a coach for improving communication. So communication, public speaking, English language is all a little bit, but we should not mix up all these things. Public speaking is different thing, communication skill is different, and English speaking is different. But simultaneously we all add these things because we need this thing. We have to speak in English, we have to communicate in English with a very formal manner, and that may be in front of public. Public means not it is not, they may not close to you, they may not know you properly, because if you say something wrong to your mother, your parents, your family members, that they will accept. But if you say something wrong with your client, with your investors, with your interviewer, they will not accept these things. They will have a very negative influence on that. They will take it very seriously. So for that we have to practice it, so that at the time when we facing them, we should be little bit polished. We should be look natural, but we should be our improved version. You maybe watch different videos that they are telling repeatedly that you have to change your version. And the learning is that our version is very old. We are a old version of ourselves. We may not agree with this, but we are our old version. We have to come out to a new version. We have to totally modify ourselves. The way we think, the way we approach is changing. The world is changing, the way is changing. So we have to change our way. We have to change our thoughts. We have to change our mindset. We have to change the way we learn. We have to change with the way we practice. If you are not practicing at all, that will not work for you. Then you will be far behind. You need lots of learning with a very concise manner. It should not be very long time. You should learn with very less time. You cannot give all the time for learning, because you have to take action. 80% action and 20% learning. That will work. 80% action include practice, and 20% only you need learning. Because Vivekananda says the way you take action, that will only work. So take action in your life. Yes, taking action needs some mentoring. You need some good mentor, you need some good learning, you should have that approach. But By taking action only, the approach will be going to improve. For that, you can select a group of friends who are similar interest, who have similar interest, who are interested in improve their skills, improve their communication skills, improve their public speaking skills. Then you all can sit together. You can take one to get out of crowd and speak for a 5 to 10 minutes. Then everyone can alternatively speak and everyone can give a rank or evaluate that. So this way, if you do it long time, that will also improve. And if you do not find that group, then make a video like this, because you cannot stop anywhere. Because if you find that no, I'm not finding this and I have to stop, no, you cannot stop. Nothing should stop you. You maybe listen the video of Sandeep Maheshwari, the unstoppable. Unstoppable. If that is the person who is not stopping with obstacle. Obstacle will not let him stop. He is learning new things to how to overcome that obstacles. Yes, we have to face lots and lots of obstacles, but we have to learn how to move out from that obstacles and go ahead in our life. Like a game, it's like a video game. When you go ahead, the obstacles get on increasing. When the levels are high, obstacles is also high. But to win the game, to stay in the game, we have to continuously defeat the opponent. We have to continuously work on ourselves so that we are continuously in progress. The progress is the really important thing in a change, because the world is changing and we should have progress in the changing world. For that, we continuously learning, implementing, reading, writing. These all things is required. Watching English movie in a weekend is be really helpful. If you feel stressed, you can be relaxed by watching an English movie. That will also helpful. You can enjoy. You can be relaxing. Still, you can be learning. So think that how can I feel relaxed and enjoying and learning? How can I take action and enjoy that? We should take action and enjoy our action. We should do learning and enjoy our learning. That will work wonder. So for that, I have given a video for your listening skills and improvement skills. That is Yal Nightingale's The Strangest Secret. That will be improve our mindset. That will be improve the way we think. And when we think negative, we will be little at that time we get alerted, because we should not think negative. So when we thinking negative, we have a control over that. We can have a control of our thinking. When we control our thinking, we have control of our mind. When we have control of our mind, we have control of our action. When we have control of our action, we have control of our result. Yes, result can be controlled by the way we think, the way we take action. If we think negatively, we do not take right action, then we cannot achieve the right result. So we should learn, we should follow good mentors, we should practice it daily, so that we can crack the interviews, we can convince the clients, we can convince the investors, we can grow, and people will recognize you. People will know you and recognize you that you are just version 2 of yourself, and people are searching for version 2 peoples. People know that most of the people are not changing their person, changing their mindset, and they are searching for people who have changed their mindset. So if you are found that you are changed, then they will start liking you. They will help you to grow, and you will grow faster. So do this and practice this. Daily practice will improve your communication skills, and small improvement will boost your confidence. Thanks for watching.